I heard so much good things about this little multi-tool. I decided to check one out. There's lots of different options out there. This one is in the form factor of a key. And I really think that's handy because so often you're going to keep your keys with you, even in places where you might not bring your multi-tool. Like, so for example, if you're going to like the beach or something, you're not going to be wearing your belt and everything. You may not have a sheath on, but you still might have your keys in your pocket or in your bag. And look at how many things you get here. A Phillips screwdriver up top. We have a little pry angle here on the side. We have a straight blade screwdriver down here that looks pretty strong. Is that like a seatbelt cutter or rope cutter? We've got another, is that a cutter there, or is that just is that an oxygen wrench? Then we have this little wedge here. Oh, that's a two-sided wedge. This could be used as a door opener. It's a bottle opener. We've got kilometer, what do you call that? A thing for degrees there. You've got a wrench here with a couple of different sizes. That's pretty neat. And then, of course, the lanyard hole. Now, I'm probably going to keep it with my little flashlight as a pocket setup. And with all these tools, I'm really looking forward to it. It's definitely thick. It is, oh, and look, there's a file on the side here. You can file your nails on it. Oh, yeah, I'm definitely going to get a lot of use out of this one. Hope this helps. Glad I bought it.